Hey, so a lot of folks were feeling pretty bummed thinking Garmin might ditch the MIP displays for the Fenix 8 series. But guess what? According to a recent leak from FTT, it turns out Garmin's got us covered with options for both MIP and AMOLED displays. We've also got live images of the Fenix 8 models, showcasing new features. We'll dive into all the details in just a bit, but for now, it looks like there's some good news for everyone. Before we get to leaks from Fitness Tracker Test, we've got some exciting images to share. Check out these shots from a Ukrainian website. They're showing off the AMOLED display on the Fenix 8 model. The images reveal a new scuba dive feature, along with the ability to make calls and access a voice assistant. You can also spot the Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor in action. Back to FTT's update. So, contrary to what we thought before, Garmin isn't going all in on AMOLED displays. Props to Garmin for keeping things flexible. The Fenix 8 lineup will come in sizes from 43 to 51mm, and if FTT's right, both the 47mm and 51mm models will offer both display options. So, whether you want to flaunt those vibrant AMOLED displays or prefer MIP displays for better battery life, Garmin's got you covered. Speaking of battery life, the Fenix 8 51mm Solar Edition is set to impress with up to 48 days in smartwatch mode. That's a big jump from the Fenix 7X Solar's 37 days. And don't worry about those AMOLED displays draining the battery. Garmin's managed to keep things efficient. Now, about those displays. Garmin's not just going bigger, they're going bolder. Thanks to sleeker bezels, each variant of the Fenix 8 lineup might sport a larger display compared to its predecessor. Expect a 1.4-inch screen for the 47mm model, while the 43mm and 51mm sizes will get 1.3-inch and 1.5-inch displays, respectively. The other features were covered in our previous videos, so I won't go into them here. That wraps up this video. See you in the next one.